Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Sony WH-1000XM4 headphones and you need to replace the battery on them. Maybe the battery won't hold a charge or anything or something like that. You can just replace it pretty cheaply and easily. Only thing you need to do is get the battery, and I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can buy a compatible battery. You only need one, and it is in the right earphone of the earphones. So all we need to do is come in and just with like a little screwdriver or something, pry off the earphone padding from the back of the earphone, and then pull off the little foam padding that's in there, and that will expose the inside like this. And you see these 4 screws. You just need to unscrew those 4 screws from the headphones. Once you do that, you can actually turn that headphone around, and that will release the back that you'll be able to pull it off, and you'll see the battery right there. You can just kind of be real gently and ginger, put a screwdriver underneath that battery. It will be kind of sticky, and kind of push it up and pry it out, and then just very carefully, preferably with some tweezers or with some needle nose pliers, then just unplug the little plug from the headphones, and then put your new battery in, plug it in, press it into place, and then just go in the reverse order, put the back on, put the screws back in, and put the ear pad back on.